Oh, we have the new Baker King in the house. Ayan.
This is a cake. Wait, kulang pa yata. Lagyan pa natin ng gulay. Ha?
Yes, lagyan mo ng kalabasa at saka
Lagyan pa natin.
repolyo.
Ako na. Sige, pre.
The Baker King. Kuya Jamel. Ang nurse ni Papa na
This is the
baker.
ingredients of this cake, okay? But you don't see it
Yes.
in the color.
Yeah.
The color is so dark, but the you know
The new
cabbage-
Baker
the
King.
cabbage and the squash.
Siya po yung nurse ni Papa Herminio Diggs. And then, siya po ay kasalukuyan na sinusubok. Yan. Akay po siya ng aking sister-in-law and brother, Tuto Ray.
No, but mommy, the color is so dark. That's why you cannot see the cabbage and the
Alright,
and
Daddy.
the cabbage and the repolyo. I know it's the same. It's squash.
Ay. Croissant. Gawa din tayo ng croissant. Kasi baker pala si Kuya Jamel. Ang ka Jamel. Kaya marami akong matututunan sa kanya.
Oh,